So I'm going to go over how God works. So the upper corner has the last key pressed. That's for making instruction videos. So F7 prints a word, Shift F7 does a passage, F6 does a song, Shift F6 does a doodle. That's built into the editor, and the editor is used everywhere, just about. Okay, so Shift Escape. I'm gonna go ahead and Shift Escape. Alt M, Shift Alt Shift W, Control M. We're gonna go to the God directory and Holy Spirit. What we do is we request random bits from God. So we might ask for 24 bits of entropy from God. And it's generated by reading the event timer. Well, what it does is it puts it in a FIFO of bits, and then it dispenses the bits out of the FIFO. Keyboard mouse event time is a function. It returns whichever's more recent, the last keyboard or the last mouse activity. And this is it uses get timestamp. Anyway, I think it's in the interrupt. In the interrupt handler. Read packet interrupt. No, it's not. It's in the get timestamp greater. Anyway, no, that's for timeout reset or something. Anyway, it's the it should be the CPU instruction, read timestamp count. So when you pick a word, this is the vocabulary. Without weights, it picks a word. So for example, if I hit F7, mournful reconcilement, approbation, desireth, sickness, elements, deem, payest, apprehending, page. Okay, so pick a passage. We can you can imagine how pick a passage works. Let's Alt Shift F7 from Tale of Two Cities. Upon my shoulder, eating my morsel of block bread as I go, I make a circuit by the prison on my way to work. There I see him high up behind the bars of the lofty iron cage, bloody and dusty as last night. Looking through, he has no hand free to wave to me. I dare not call to him. He regards me like a dead man. Defarge and the three glanced darkly at one another. The looks of all of them were dark, repressed, and revengeful as they listened to the countryman's story, the manner of all of them. Okay, well anyway. So Control M, key map. You want to do the key map. The ones I was going to tell you about are Control Alt. Are those on here? Control Alt Escape is spawn a new task. Since that's a dangerous key, Control Alt E is spawn a new task. Control Alt Tab switches tasks. Since that's dangerous, Control Alt T. So Alt V tiles vertically, So I just hit Alt V, Shift Escape, Control B does the border, Alt M maximizes. So here's my blog directory where I generate my blog. So that's it. But this is on the go to http://www.templeos.org, and there you can find my rants, and you can find you can download. I can show you. I generate my web page, my website from my own. I generate my website from my own system. The reason I don't use Facebook for blogging is because with my own system I can cut and paste code, and the links will be functional. This is cool. So yeah, Larry Page kind of looks like Denny Dinker from Ticketmaster. Anyway, one of the things I learned at Ticketmaster was negative structure offsets. If we hit this sets the instruction pointer, or whatever you want to call it, to -128 for that structure, and you have to set your pointer on 128 ahead so that when you back up 128. Anyway, so this is the assembly code. Notice these are all 8-bit signed, whereas up here it was using 32-bit signed, because anyway, so I don't do that because I don't want to confuse beginners. This is an open source, and one of the selling features is simplicity, so it's not a good idea to confuse everybody. It's pretty neat though, isn't it? Anyway, what else we have that's interesting? Well, okay. These are my lectures. You can learn about 64-bit assembly. Most people don't have any idea. Okay, well,